Good morning, viewers. Today again we bring you an opportunity. This opportunity is already there into the market. We are basically toward the Chattigere before the airport toll. That's Brigade Trimia. This is the Tata Township development. Just to give you an update regarding the Tata space, we are shooting this video today. So if you're looking for something towards the Bangalore North near to the airport, current opportunities you have from Birla Trimia. Godrej is upcoming with a new development. Tata is also coming up with their existing development where they have already sold plots. They are opening up the apartment concept here, the residential apartment, villamint as well as row houses in here. This concept is basically based on the current opening of around 20 acre of land parcel in here, which is just opposite side of the Tata Swaram, which was sold as a plotted development recently. So this parcel what you are seeing right now on the left, this is the entire 20 acre space which will come in here. And the beauty about this development, this phase, these are all larger dimensions and all completely. So even if you're looking at a 3-bedroom 2 washroom, starts at around 1600, goes up to 8800. A 3-bedroom 3 washroom starts at around 1800, goes up to 2000 square feet. We even have 5-bedroom penthouse duplexes which are approximately around 4000 square feet, comes with large bedrooms, living dining spaces, running balconies, good size bedroom sizes, where you even look at the bedroom sizes are around 14 by 11, 14 by 12. You in the 5-bedroom, the master suite is approximately around 30 by 20, that kind of a sizes in here. You even have townhouses in a sense. You talk about filament, so duplex kind of an option. The you get the garden area, lawn, or the upper terrace area, which are basically triplexes, a dimension of around 3000 plus square feet onto it. Then you have the row villas are basically, again, we have some around 3.5 to 4000 square feet of a built-up area, 4.5 BHK options, G plus 2 floor with the good size terrace areas in place. So coming up at a launch price tentative of around 9.5 to 10.5 thousand rupees, all inclusive, coming in shortly to the market. If you're interested in this opportunity, contact us. Thank you.